All right, so this is exercises for the binomial distribution. Number 2, continued. And so what happens is we toss a coin. N equals 8 times. X is the number of heads. Okay, so we're continuing on this problem. And so we were doing A, and then we had other stuff. So we're part 1, we already did part 2. Part 3 is the probability that X is equal to 2. And so what I'm going to do is just use the TI-83 and second distribution and then 0 binomial PDF. Can you hear the rain in the back? It's really coming down. It's sort of crazy. It's good. Okay, binomial PDF and then PDF. So then we have binomial PDF, and we put in N, which is 8, P, which is the probability of heads, is half, and then K, in this case, is 2. And so you put that in there, and that's going to do the job. Okay, and so I got a decimal answer. And then going on to, you just continue doing this. But the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to do second entry to bring up the, so you do second entry and it brings up the same thing, and then you take your toggle and you toggle over and you change that 2 to a 3. So if you do the second entry, you're going to get binomial PDF 8 1/2 2. Then toggle and edit to get binomial PDF 8 1/2 3, and that turned out to equal 0.21875. So it's more likely that you're going to get 3 tosses. Oh, sorry, I didn't say what I'm doing on this one. This one is probability X equals 3. So this over here is probability X equals 2. This is probability X equals 3. So you're more likely to get 3 tosses than you are to just get 2 tosses, which is sort of what you would think. The next, for probability X equals 4, you're going to do second entry and then edit. So here we're going to get binomial PDF 8 1/2 4. And you get 0.2734375, so that's 23%. So that's even more likely. Numbers, sorry, these aren't. I'm sorry, these were not numbered. They were bulleted. But anyway, that's all right. These were just bulleted. That's all right. Okay, it's not like it really makes any difference. In the worksheet, they're bulleted, but here I'm numbering them. Okay. Second entry, we're going to write binomial PDF 8 1/2 5. Okay, I'm going to tell you a prediction. The probability of getting 5 heads is the same as, okay, it's the same as the probability of getting 3 tails. And the probability of 3 tails should be the same as the probability of 3 heads, right? So If you get 5 heads, that's the same as 3 tails. And the probability of 3 tails should be the same as 3 heads. And so we should get this answer here. So, yeah, let's just see what happens. Well, I know what's going to happen, I'm pretty sure. Okay, get the same thing. I use the calculator. And so you could continue doing this, and probability x equals 6. 6 heads is going to be binom p d f 8 1/2 6, and that's actually the same as the probability of getting 2 heads, and so that will be 0.109375. Probability x equals 7. That's the same thing as the probability of, that's 7 heads. Same as the probability of getting 1 tail, which is the probability of 1 head. That's written on another piece of paper, that probability. But okay, so this is 0.03125, and then for 9, I think I'm supposed to do it like this for 9. All right, probability x equals 8 would be binom PTF 8 1/2. Sorry, this is supposed to be 7 right here. 8. And I'm always doing the second entry stuff. So use second entry for all of these. Once I do this once, if I want to repeat, I just do second entry. And then I add it. All right, did it. Okay, so we found the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 heads.